A subtraction game begins with a pile of 2,024 pennies. Two players alternate turns removing 1 to 23 pennies on each move. The player who removes the last penny wins. To guarantee a win, how many pennies should the first player remove on their first turn? Okay, let's try it. All right, here is the solution to this Math Olympiad problem. The key to this problem is making sure as player 1 that we make player 2 choose from a multiple of 24 pennies. Because you can choose between 1 and 23 pennies each turn, that means we want to make sure that the last pile player chooses from has 24 pennies in it, so that if they choose whatever they choose, let's say they choose 23 pennies, then there would be 1 penny left for us to take. So to figure out how many pennies we must choose on our first turn to ensure that our opponent is choosing from a multiple of 24 pennies, what we're going to do is we're going to divide 2024 by 24, and we would get 84, and then we would get remainder 8. So that means on our first term, we're going to choose 8 pennies, and that would leave our opponent 2 with a multiple of 24 to choose from. So to continue the game and ensure our win, what we're always going to do is when our opponent chooses, the number our opponent chooses, we want to make sure the number of pennies we choose always adds up to 24. So for example, if our opponent chooses 10 pennies, we're going to choose 14 pennies. And that will ensure at the end that the very last pile player 2 chooses from is going to have 24 pennies in it, which would guarantee our win. Okay, hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.